In this video, we will show you how to use filters. Before you use a filter, notice if you hover over a data point, all the information being displayed. Moving to the bottom of the dashboard, you can see the filter options: year, population, institution, security level, inmate type, gender, race, ethnicity, and age group. Initially, the filters are defaulted all. For this example, we will change the year to 2014, the gender to female, and then the race and ethnicity to Hispanic. Now you can see that the Massachusetts Department of Correction housed 54 Hispanic females on January 1st, 2014. Notice underneath the filter boxes, the filters that you have selected are now displayed.